Please notice that we have 3 in the denominator of the first fraction and 3 in the numerator of the second fraction. Okay, remember that anytime we have multiplication, we can do reducing the denominator with the numerator of the second fraction. I mean, denominator of first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Okay, and also we have 2 in the numerator of the first fraction and 8 in the denominator of the second fraction. Again, when we have multiplication, we can reduce these two numbers also by 2. So I'm going to divide this numerator by 2, this denominator by 2, okay, by the same number always, and this denominator I can divide by 3, and this one also by 3. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. Times 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. Now I can perform the multiplication. Remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 1 times 1 gives me 1, and 1 times 4 is equal 4. This is the solution to my problem.